Hi guys, welcome back to the channel Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I'll be showing you how to turn on two-factor authentication on Twitter. This is very simple to do, so let's go ahead and get started. First thing you want to do is to open up the Twitter app. Once you're here, you want to click on your profile in the top left corner. Go down to the bottom, click Settings and Support, then click Settings and Privacy. Once you're at this page, you'll see Security and Account Access. You want to go ahead and click that. And then you want to click on security at the top of the page. Then you'll see the two-factor authentication. You want to go ahead and click that. And then it's going to give you three options to turn it on. The first one being text message, which means you'll get a code to your phone number. Then you have to put the code back into Twitter to make sure that it is you. The second option is an authentication app. This could be like Google, for example. You'll get a code through Google, then have to put in the code back into Twitter. The last one is a security key. And this inserts into your computer or syncs to your mobile device when you log into Twitter. And so this is not something you'll get a code for. And that is it. That's how you turn on two-factor authentication. So I hope this video helped. And if it did, please make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. It helps out the channel a lot. And I will see you in